Introducing Vibes and Tones. The multimedia platform that's all about hearing empowerment. Our channel is dedicated to creating educational, comedic, and personal content that's tailored for individuals with hearing impairments, as well as our allies that want to learn more about it. Our community is a safe space where individuals can share their stories and experiences while learning from each other. We believe in reaching out through various channels and offer a range of content, from YouTube and TikTok videos that educate and entertain to Instagram reels that use comedy to spark conversations. We'll also have a podcast that offers deeper insights into the world of living with hearing impairments. At Vibes and Tones, we're committed to offering a diverse range of content that's inclusive, informative, and most importantly, entertaining. Follow us on all our channels for more insights, education, and entertainment. We invite you to hear the laughter, share the stories, and join the community.